Hola amigos! Today you're going to learn 50 essential Spanish phrases about relationships and feelings. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's begin. I love you. Te amo. I love you. Te amo. I like you. Me gustas. I like you. Me gustas. I miss you. Te extraño. I miss you. Te extraño. I need you. Te necesito. I need you. Te necesito. I think about you. Pienso en ti. I think about you. Pienso en ti. You are beautiful. Eres hermosa. You are beautiful. Eres hermosa. You are handsome. Eres guapo. You are handsome. Eres guapo. You are very kind. Eres muy amable. You are very kind. Eres muy amable. You are my best friend. Eres mi mejor amigo. You are my best friend. Eres mi mejor amigo. I trust you. Confío en ti. I trust you. Confío en ti. I forgive you. Te perdono. I forgive you. Te perdono. I'm proud of you. Estoy orgulloso de ti. I'm proud of you. Estoy orgulloso de ti. You make me happy. Me haces feliz. You make me happy. Me haces feliz. We are a family. Somos una familia. We are a family. Somos una familia. I respect you. Te respeto. I respect you. Te respeto. I support you. Te apoyo. I support you. Te apoyo. I care about you. Me importas. I care about you. Me importas. Do you love me? ¿Me amas? Do you love me? ¿Me amas? Will you marry me? ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? Will you marry me? ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? I am in love. Estoy enamorado. I am in love. Estoy enamorado. My heart is yours. Mi corazón es tuyo. My heart is yours. Mi corazón es tuyo. You are special. Eres especial. You are special. Eres especial. Forever together. Juntos para siempre. Forever together. Juntos para siempre. I feel lonely. Me siento solo. I feel lonely. Me siento solo. I feel grateful. Me siento agradecido. I feel grateful. Me siento agradecido. I feel blessed. Me siento bendecido. I feel blessed. Me siento bendecido. I'm worried. Estoy preocupado. I'm worried. Estoy preocupado. I'm confused. Estoy confundido. I'm confused. Estoy confundido. I'm disappointed. Estoy decepcionado. I'm disappointed. Estoy decepcionado. I'm surprised. Estoy sorprendido. I'm surprised. Estoy sorprendido. I'm jealous. Estoy celoso. I'm jealous. Estoy celoso. I'm embarrassed. Estoy avergonzado. I'm embarrassed. Estoy avergonzado. I feel safe with you.
Me siento seguro contigo. I feel safe with you. Me siento seguro contigo. You are important to me. Eres importante para mí. You are important to me. Eres importante para mí. I appreciate you. Te aprecio. I appreciate you. Te aprecio.
Excelente trabajo! You've just learned 50 powerful Spanish phrases about relationships and feelings. Here's what to do next. Like this video if these phrases helped you. Subscribe for part 2 coming soon. 50 more motivational phrases. Comment your favorite phrase below. Save this video to practice daily. Remember, repetition is the key. Come back to this video every day and practice out loud. Your Spanish journey has just begun. Hasta la próxima. Adiós, amigos.